my baby. Can I get your number? I'ma wait for you, maybe. Cause I saw you almost lost my way for some days. Oh my goodness, baby, you so wavy, amazing and gracious. I said it. What up, chat? What up, chat?
Like Michael Jackson, I'm okay, anything you 155 carats, 7 out of 5 on the coupon. 6 feet gold, I'm all logo. They're dry lights, right the top, and you are
deep. Every ring I'm wearing is gold. They're calling me Gaddafi. Don't bend, don't break, don't fold. It's a bad boy gangster party. All my niggas sticking to the code. You get a rolly AP Carti. Them boys say they're really on road. How come?
Somebody's about to perform right now. So his name is Seda. So he'll talk to you guys first. His name is what? Seda.
Hello guys.
Hello.
So my name is Crusader and I'm about to give you guys my first hit.
We are ready, we are ready.
She might think I lose my life. I go get all the things I deserve.
Yo, listen to this song.
They say I dey waste my time. Then they say I don't get what it takes. Make I back one side. But many don't do me tears. No thing distract me. Oh no. Only me got me when whole world deserts me. Oh no. But if I give up, nobody go know. Who go tell my story? Killing myself for mommy. If I give up, nobody go know me. Who go tell my story? Killing myself for mommy. If I give up, nobody go know. Alright.
Clap for Jesus! Clap for Jesus!
So fortunate, cause we know we keep our body up. I mean, I fuck up your heart, try me. I'm there at the right time, me. Baby, don't you believe it's not like I'm Johnny Congrats, wake up in the morning like I like to just sing about Yacht. Come on, Yacht. Oh my baby, stand at the face. Me a fan for time I take a for the fat pass. Pretty cake, make me my pretty cake. Baby, I'm really like that. Give me love on the first day. I'm so fortunate, cause we know we keep our body out. I'm fuck up your heart, join me. I'm there at the right time, me. Baby, don't you believe it? I'm a sucker for the fat pass.
When I and she grabs my mic, blow me like dynamite, moving wild like an animal. It's me that she likes to write, front and back. I always get what I like. Right now it is you I like.
Hi, my name is Anita. She's also your head of sad nails.
Oh shit. Don't play. Find her.
Find
Pretty cool, man. I can't even lie.
Okay. Bro, it just feels like how many people? It feels like I'm floating. People just they do their honeymoon shit.
Just be like, say,
Yeah, that's
one construction company. Think about this now. No, it's not deep, but I'm just saying like,
Please, camera is still on.
don't worry about the camera is not on.
Okay.
Imagine seeing it on screen.
You know what just I said who is saying.
Like, see it on screen. I'm being practical.
I saw a video. That mad, but they're right. Get that. Hey.
Crazy shit.
Trust me. I'm serious this time. Trust me. I got you. Thank you. Take care.